StringBuilder class. So StringBuilder is kind of the same as the StringBuffer. It stores the object in heap, and it also can be modified. The StringBuilder has the same methods as the StringBuffer, but each method in the StringBuffer is synchronized. That is, the StringBuffer is thread safe. So the main difference between the StringBuffer and the StringBuilder is performance. The StringBuilder is faster than the StringBuffer because the StringBuffer is synchronized. So in our example, we create strBuilder as an object with Java as its value. And this object is stored in heap memory, and its value can be changed. And we use the append method of the StringBuilder class, and then this method appends the value program at the end, and it modifies the value Java program, which is allowed in the StringBuilder. So why don't we do up some examples with StringBuilder? So in the String project, just right-click on the source folder and select New Class. Specify the package name as StringBuilder and the class name as StringBuilder Example. And then select the checkbox for main method. Now in this exercise, we will practice with StringBuilder methods in order to understand them in depth and in better clarity. So we will not write these methods again. What we'll do is we'll use the StringBuffer methods because they have the same methods, right? So let's copy the code from the StringBuffer example class and paste it to the StringBuilder example class. Now let's change the StringBuffer with StringBuilder in object instantiation and comment on the code part. Eclipse has a quick shortcut for us to change the names of variables at the same time. So if we hit Control and 1 from the keyboard on the buffer word, Eclipse gives us suggestions for fixing problems. So we'll choose the Rename in File option and change the object name buffer with builder. So you can see this way is just perfect for changing names of fields. And what do you see in the code? All the methods of the StringBuffer class can also be used in the StringBuilder class without any other change. Okay? So let's run the code. And there's your proof. The same results are in the console.